Hello little artists. Welcome back to Mini Study Class. In today's video we learn something smart. Let's start. At first, we took a black marker. We draw a straight line. We draw a curve and again draw a big straight line. In the corner, we draw a curve and make the line straight. Next, we draw the wheels part of the bus. We draw a straight line. Here, we draw a big straight line on the upper part of the bus. Now we divide the middle part of the bus. Use a straight line. Now, we draw here the window of the bus using small straight line. This is wheel of the bus. Now, it's time to coloring. Green color. Buses are big vehicles that can carry lots of people. They have big wheels and powerful engines to move them along the road. Buses are a type of public transportation. Yellow color. People use buses to get to school, work, or other places. School buses are usually yellow and have special stop signs. Blue color. Buses help people travel without needing their own cars. Some buses are single-deckers with one level of seats. Others are double-deckers with seats on 2 levels. Red color. Articulated buses are long and bend in the middle. Buses have windows, so passengers can see outside. Many buses have comfortable seats for passengers. Bus drivers are responsible for safely driving the bus. Conductors collect fares or manage bus passes. Buses can be found in cities and towns all over the world. They play an important role in connecting communities. Blue color. Buses help reduce traffic congestion. Riding the bus can be a fun and social experience. Our drawing is completed. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and like. Bye.